Okay, this is a Pachinko machine, and I decided to clean it, and I caused a couple problems, and I want to show people what's going on. You can see right in here, there's crazing in the finish, and that's where I tried to clean it with alcohol. So do not use any kind of alcohol on it. I'm guessing it's got a shellac finish or something like that. And then the second problem I came up with is I just sprayed Windex on it. You know, just sprayed in the area and then cleaned it up. But you could see, if you could tell, there's little circles around each nail. And the Windex gets in where the nail goes through and then bleeds out and causes this little circle. So what I'm doing now is I just got a little Windex on the tip of a Q-tip. Not enough so that it's runny and will run down on anything. And I'm just going through here, just gently cleaning. Takes a long time on some of these because the Windex got to get in there and soak all the gunk up and then get it soft so you can wipe it off. But you can see it's working okay here. Come over here, I'll show a spot where you can see it working. See, it doesn't look like it's doing much, but you just got to keep rubbing it, and eventually it'll clean up. All right, so I got a lot more to do here. I've done this side. That looks pretty good, but I still have all this side to do.